Hey yo, look what I found. Pretty rare to find an old ceiling fan right just abandoned here. So let's check it out. I don't know what type of design that these blades have. I don't know the name of these, so that's what I'm trying to say. You know what? I was just coming. My house is just down there, and I was on my scooter riding around. I was I plan on just going this way and going down the Acorn Trail, which is a concrete path down there. Yeah, it's you know what? I wish I can have this. There's too many cars passing by, too many people walking on the trail, and they're probably all giving me the weirdest looks for filming a ceiling fan. I look like the biggest weirdo down here right now for filming an old broken ceiling fan that's just been abandoned on the side of the curb. This thing looks like it's going to wobble a lot if somebody ever decides to get it and reinstall it, because it's resting on this blade and this one, but this blade's bending. Some guy in a black truck just pulled up to me, and he said that this ceiling fan belonged to him, but his wife wanted to replace it, so he had no use for it, so he just abandoned it on the curbside. And he said it works perfectly fine, which that's good, but it sucks how I don't know if anybody's going to get this, or I wish I could get this, but my mom and dad won't let me because of the way it looks, and we don't have any use for another ceiling fan. It's supposed to rain all week, so hopefully somebody grabs this ceiling fan before it gets rained on a few times. And yeah, and there's so many cars and people that are just staring at me. I look like a weirdo here. So I'm going to cut this short. There's so many cars coming by at once. So yeah. This here doesn't have a light kit, so if I ever decide to ask my parents if I ever decide to tell my parents I want this fan and install it inside the garage, they'll instantly turn it down, because this thing doesn't have a light kit. We only have 2 light bulbs in the garage at work, and one of them's going to be replaced with one of our old ceiling fans that has a light kit on it as well. And that leaves just one light along with the ceiling fan light. So yeah, that only leaves one light along with the light kit on our old ceiling fan in the garage. So we won't have much light in there when the garage is closed. So we don't really need 2 ceiling fans in the garage. One will be fine. So mom and dad would never let me have this. Here is a pull chain, and since this doesn't have a light kit, it only has 1 pull chain for the 3 speeds on this fan. I think this is a 3-speeder fan. I don't know the name of the ceiling fan either, or what year it's been made, but it looks like a 90s fan or 80s. I don't know. The blades, the bronze motor. It's all screaming 80s, it's all screaming 80s and 90s, so it's probably built in the 80s or 90s. Yeah. I'm going to look for a brand name on here. I didn't see any on the motor. I found that, some stickers, and there's a canopy with the wires. It's a normal plain canopy, nothing to really be interested in. So yeah, don't know if it's me or it's just looking a little blue. Looks like the bronze paint is starting to wear off a little bit on all 5 blades here. So yeah, there's that. That's just a quick video. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey yo guys, look at this. I thought the video was over with, but guess what? But guess what I got? Yep, it's the exact same ceiling fan as before. Instead of my parents immediately turning down, instead of my parents immediately turning down this fan, they're just like, if you want it, just bring it. So I immediately went back up to, that stop sign area and the four-way area and stuff, and picked it up. It was really light. It's not that heavy. Not as heavy as this big boy here. Yeah, it was very unexpected to find a ceiling fan today, and really surprising that my mom and dad will actually let me have it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I may ask my grandparents if they want it. They only got like 4 ceiling fans, 2 in their house and 2 in my grandpa's shop, and one of them don't even work anymore. So maybe they can get some use out of this one. And like that one guy said earlier, it works just fine. Just as his wife just wanted a new one. So yeah. Awesome find. I thought I'd never be able to find a ceiling fan on the side of the road, and my parents will actually let me have it. Well, I'll see you guys later. This is the real ending of the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.